Negative capability. Origin. John Keats coined the term negative capability in a letter to his brothers George and Tom in 1817. Definition. Negative capability refers to the ability to remain in uncertainties, doubts, and mysteries without the irritable reaching after fact and reason. Contrast with rationalism. Negative capability rejects the logical certainty and rational explanation, emphasizing imaginative and emotional openness instead. Application of negative capability in art. Keats believed that great artists, particularly poets like Shakespeare, possess negative capability because they can create works that embrace ambiguity and complexity without resolving them. Influence of Shakespeare. Keats viewed Shakespeare as the epitome of negative capability because his works present profound truths without offering clear resolutions. Opposition to egocentricity. The concept of negative capability opposes self centeredness or the imposition of the author's personality on their work. In simple words, the poets with negative capability efface their ego to fully immerse themselves in their subject. Romantic philosophy and negative capability. Negative capability aligns with romantic ideals, prioritizing imagination, intuition, and emotional experience over rationalism and scientific certainty. And we know that Romanticism was a reaction against Enlightenment. Relevance to modernism. Modernist writers like T.S. Eliot and Virginia Woolf adopted a similar openness to ambiguity, reflecting the enduring influence of the concept. Philosophical connection. The idea of negative capability resonates with existential and postmodern thought, emphasizing the acceptance of life's inherent uncertainties and contradictions. Impact on literature. Negative capability remains a key literary concept, encouraging readers and writers to value the power of ambiguity and mystery of human experience over definitive answers. In simple words, negative capability is the ability to remain calm and open minded in uncertainty or doubt, without rushing to find answers or explanations. So, negative capability is embracing uncertainty, tolerating doubt, and resisting oversimplification. Thanks for watching.